my boy Jeremy. You see my mechanic, he out in the flesh. He done made it out the streetcar takeover. And if you look in there, you'll see Jess, you know what I'm saying? She out there knocked out. So I told my man, I'm glad to see him out here, man. Definitely glad to see my boy out here. He done made his way out here, you know, to represent. Like I said, you see the rap? See the rap? Tasty Unicorn. Tasty Unicorn. For everybody that didn't know and didn't understand the rap, he is sponsored by Tasty Unicorn. So that's his rap that he is sponsored by right there. So they kind of did that for him as well. So if y'all guys don't know, they make ice cream and stuff like that. Be sure to check them out. But like I said, man, I'm happy my man made it out. You know, he did tell me a secret. Ooh, hold on. Let's see what we somebody making some noise. Yeah, this thing sounded good. This thing didn't mess up my mic. This thing is loud as hell when he revs it. Oh my goodness. What a damn treat. Wow. Sheesh. Let's go. Let's get another look back at that thing. Seen an LS and a Lamborghini? I don't think I have, but today is the day. Today is the day. Let me walk around. There's a lot of people over here that they done brought a lot of attention starting this thing up. They done brought a lot of attention in here, so let's get you guys one more look at what's going on. Y'all see what's going on? That thing was sick. Hey, never seen no LS in no Lamborghini. Never seen no LS in no Lamborghini. I had to get that on film for you guys. Definitely, that shit was amazing. Wow. But anyway, so we came back over here to see my boy's car. You know what I mean? Look at that. Wow. Hey, he did say this damn thing is like a plate. My man just sitting on there chilling. What the hell? This is crazy as hell. They got the loud ass generator going over here. That's what you hear going in the back. But man, hey, I guess you could say it's sturdy, huh? Pretty sturdy, huh?
Well, it's gotta be.
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, man. But shout out to my boy, man. Hey, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Dare to Dream Motorsports. Y'all know what it is, man. Hey, and if you see it, I'm trying to talk loud because they got the music. They are hiring mechanics. They are hiring mechanics. So if you know what I'm saying, got a resume or anything like that, check them out on Instagram and on Facebook at Dare to Drink Motorsports. You know what I'm saying? Let them know you're interested in hiring, and you know what I'm saying, send them what you got. Let them know what you want to do. You know what I mean? And he'll work with you. And if you fail or pass the test, hey, he might have a future in his business, man. So definitely check him out as well. But you know what I mean? I believe I got this on the last video, but since I'm right here again, let's get it again, because this thing is, good God, this thing is crazy as hell. See, some of these I didn't really get in depth when I filmed my last couple videos. Jesus. Wow. Yeah, this thing is a runner. This thing is a runner right here. Wow. Jeez. All right, so I promised y'all the dyno videos, so I'm gonna go over there. I think the dyno videos are somewhere over there, or not dyno videos. They're doing the dyno somewhere over there. I don't know if they're still running it, so hopefully we'll go over there and see. And if they is, we'll get some of that footage for y'all. All right. Hey, bud. How you doing, man?
All right, man. All right, hey, this is the last of the series, man. I'm so happy, man. Hey, this was a good day. It was definitely a good day. Seeing a lot of cars, seeing a lot of beautiful builds and everything like that. So, hey, definitely appreciate y'all checking out this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite car was. I'm trying to make sure I don't crash while I'm trying to vlog. Definitely make sure your post notification is on and everything like that, man. And hey, we about to get out of here with it, man. I appreciate everybody checking out the video. And once again, Smash 8 in the building. We checking out with this one. All right, we out, y'all. We out.